Hi guys, welcome to Educational Toys ASMR. Today I'm reviewing these touch and feel puzzles by ELC. So these are numbers touch and feel puzzle. This is like a train and it has fruits and other stuff. I think it mostly has fruits though. So let's start unboxing and making the puzzle. So this is a 36 piece puzzle set. Let's take them all out. Okay, so first let's talk about the quality. So as you all know, ELC has a really nice quality. This is a fat puzzle, you see, and it has a glossy top texture and a glossy back. So this is not the one that easily rips off. And these are all the puzzles. Let's first straighten these up. So how I make the puzzles is that I just put all the straight sides on one side so that I have the outline in one place, and then I have the middle pieces in the other. Comment below, how do you teach your children to fix the puzzles? Okay, because this is how I taught my children. So the first step has always been this, that we separate all the corners and the middle pieces, and then we start fixing it. And the second step has always been that we try to find the missing part. So for example, if we know that we have this number 20 and the top of this number is missing, then we have some red missing, then we have some grapes missing. I suppose, no, these are not grapes, I think these are blueberries. So we'll find a piece that has these things and then we fix that together. So that is how I taught my children how to fix puzzles, and they have been brilliant with puzzles. So even when they were like 2 years or something, so they were able to make around 40 piece puzzle or so on. And right now they can make like 500 piece, 1000 piece puzzles independently as well. So tell me what worked best for you. And if your children struggle with making puzzles, I would suggest you try to do this. And even if they fix like 2 pieces at once, that would be fine. Why does it feel like all of these have corners? Is it like a puzzle that has only 2 sides? I wonder. One second, let's check. Yeah, because all of the pieces that I got so far were corners. So in that case, I suppose we'll have to find some other thing to separate them. I'm thinking of this track. Maybe I'll put all the track pieces in one place. Okay, yeah, so this is right. So we have these track pieces in one place, and then we have these numbers on these tracks. So the train is on the track, and then I think it's like 18 pieces on the bottom and then 18 on the top, because they're all corner pieces. So we'll just bring all the tracks in one place, and we'll just put all the ceiling part in the other place, and then we have these numbers that we can track. So number 3 will obviously be somewhere here, 19 will be somewhere there. I suppose this is going to be a really long puzzle in size, because 36 pieces are a lot. So we have 2 and then we have 3, and then you can see the purple train buggy or whatever you call it. So this is fixed. Okay, now so this is the touch and feel thing. You see the teddy bear? So it has a soft tummy, and this looks like the train engine. Maybe this will be somewhere in front. We have the picture here as well, if that is how you guys work. So this is the picture. I normally don't see the picture, and even my children don't see the picture, because we kind of like to challenge our brain more. But if you do, then here we have some images that would help. So we have a few hearts at the back. So 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. This is a big one, so this is going to be helpful. Okay, yeah, just bear with me. So I'm putting all of these. 2 of these together comes here on top of 11 12. Okay, so we have these pieces here. I might fast forward the video later on, and this number 18 is here and 19 is here, so 18 will be the top piece and 19 is supposed to be the bottom piece. And since we have this purple hut, I'm supposing that this is no, in fact not this one, this goes here. Yeah, okay, then we go bringing all the tracks down. We have 16, 17, we have 18 that will be on the top. Okay, then we have 19. We have some more base pieces. 11, 12 is here, that was supposed to be under this piece. Here we go, we have number 12. Okay, then we have, this is going to need more space. We have 14, we have, I think this is 8 or something. Okay, then we have the front piece. This is the front piece and this is not going to fix here. Where's the teddy bear gone? Here it is. Here. No, this is also not fixing here. Okay. This is the front piece. Yeah? Yes. So we have got that. Now, what do we want? I'm actually holding my phone with one hand and I'm making the puzzles with the other, so this is kind of difficult for me. Number 8 was somewhere here. I remember I kept it here. Number 8. Where is it gone? Okay, forget it. We have 13 that goes here. We have 7, 8, and then we have 9, and 13 will come here after 12. Perfect. Then we have 10 that will be here before 11. So actually you can teach forward counting and backwards counting as well while children are at it. Count the 18. Okay, then there is 19. This goes here, 20. 18. Okay, 18 was basically not the bottom piece, that was the problem. So we have 17, we have 2, 3, we have 7, 8, we have 9. 9 goes here with 10. Then we have 8, half of the 8, and then we have 7, 6, and we have 5. Okay, I'll put the box here in front because we need more space. So we have 5, then we have we don't have 4 here yet. We have 3, 2, and then we need 1. Okay, this is the remaining part of 8. What am I missing here? This is half of something. 1, maybe this is the first piece. Okay, this is number 1. Okay, and this I suppose will be somewhere. No, I wonder where it goes. So here I found another textured piece. In fact, I was so busy finding the pieces that I didn't see the textures yet. I just found the teddy bear's tummy, and then we have a corner piece here. So this I suppose goes here. This is the extreme corner with 2 straight parts, and this is also the extreme corner, so this will come here on top of number 20. Okay, let's place it here. 19, and then we have 17, 16. Oh, this is 15, half of 15, and we have 17, 16, and we have 19, and then we have 18 here on top. So I suppose that teddy bear that had that was the base will be coming here. No, but it's not actually. Where else can it go? We have almost all of it. We have a part missing from here. Number 4 is missing. This is okay, this is going to fit 1 and 2 together. Okay, then we don't have number 4 here, and we have a track piece here. This might actually, no, it doesn't. So we have some more pieces here, and I suppose that this is like doubled. Oh my god, these were supposed to be 36 and I counted that these are 36, but this piece has been doubled. And then we have this. Let's see if this is also, no, I don't see it being doubled. This one would go here. Okay, so now we have 18. I hope that that one piece that is extra is actually extra and we don't have a missing piece, because then it's going to be a problem. Okay, now I'm going to take help from this picture. Let's put the houses together. So we have this pink hut is gonna go here. Okay, then we have this big tree that was going to go here. And then the next hut is supposed to be orange, so here we go. Okay, then we have the remaining part of the tree, and then these two houses. So this is the remaining part of the tree. Okay, so this is almost a half done. And now we have these apples, and number 4 is gonna come here. Okay, so oh great, so they connect together. Perfect. Now okay, you see this remaining piece of this track, and the lemon has texture. We'll come to the texture once we are done making the puzzle. Here it goes. Then this one would go here. The teddy bear's face would come here. This is gonna come here. This tree comes here, and this roof comes here. Again, there's a texture, and we were right. The complete puzzle is available here. This is one extra piece. I suppose they have this, you know, the thing that's hanging outside that shows that this is the actual size of the puzzle here. Yeah, so this is going to be somewhere on top maybe. And here is the final look of the puzzle. So we have number 1 watermelon, 2 pineapples, 3 bananas, 4 apples, 5 oranges, 6 peaches, 7 pears, and they also have the words written here. 7 pears, and we have a texture here. Okay, let's do this again. So when we start, there is this soft teddy bear tummy, and then let's move forward. We have this rough, actually this is like a leathery kind of a texture. So we have this roof. Then we have, what's next? I feel something here. Okay, then we have this orange. Okay, 5 oranges. The next one is this tree. It's a, what would you call it? This is a glossy kind of a smooth material. Okay, so we have 7 pears. Then we have 8 pomegranates. Do we have a texture? Yes. You see this? We have a texture here. Then we have lemons, 9 lemons, and here is the textured part. Okay, then we have 10 limes, no texture here. 11 plums, no texture here. 12 kiwis. Okay, this is like a soft fluffy material. Then we have 13 red cherries, no texture there. Then we have 14 gooseberries, and we have 15 strawberries. Then we have 16 black cherries, we have 17 red grapes, 18 raspberries, 19 green apples, and 20 blueberries. I think I'm missing some texture somewhere. If you see them and if I didn't um, tell you that it was there, please comment below so that I could know, because half of the puzzle had textures and the remaining half, like after kiwi, I suppose after 12, I did not see any texture. So it should be somewhere. I actually cannot find it. I'm still looking, but I cannot. Oh, here at the end. This is some grassy kind of a material, soft. Okay, I might have also missed some other ones. If you saw them or if you have it and you know it, then please comment below. I'd love to hear it from you. Here is the box again. And I think this is a nice puzzle for, like, it says 3 plus. For my children, I would say this is also like 2 plus or 1.5 plus maybe. So even if they don't make the entire thing at once, they can maybe, you know, like you can give them 1 to 5 to fix, and then you can give them 6 to 10 to fix, and then you know, you can do it in patches and then fix it on later, something of that sort. So this is nice and very long. You see, it's starting from, okay, it's starting from here and ending all the way here. This is kind of like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and a little more than that. Okay, thank you for watching. Take care, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.